We're going to do an experiment today on how and why ripples are done. So have you ever been at a lake and you grab a rock and you throw it and you see little ripples, like little waves start to create, and they start small and they get bigger and bigger and bigger? That is what we're going to do today. And also we're going to see kind of like a twofold experiment. We're going to try to do an experiment on the ripples of kindness. Okay, so if you see here, let's pretend that this is the lake, right? And the lake is nice and still. There's no waves, no nothing. It's nice and still. So I'm gonna grab, usually you throw a rock, but I tried it several times to do it with like a small pebble, and you can't see it. So I'm gonna do it with water. So I'm gonna create a ripple in this. So if I pour it down, you see how it starts to kind of move. It's not too big, but you start to see little waves and they start to move out until it hits the edges, right? We could do it again. So and you could try this when you're taking a bath or the next time you go to the lake, you can try it. So see, I'm creating waves. And what happens is that the pebble or your rock or whatever you're throwing is pushing the water down, and that water that's pushed down, it moves to the sides and it creates this wave, and it goes out and out and it goes around it until that force that we've been talking about this whole time, it kind of dies out, right? So the harder you hit it, the more of a harder wave. It will last longer. If you throw it very gentle, you have small waves. So that is how we do little ripples or waves. Now, when we talk about kindness, if you do a small gesture of kindness, it could be very simple. It could be a smile, a hello, a helping someone, helping maybe your parents clean the house, helping a neighbor, with their trash can. Any gesture of kindness can start with one person and it can grow to ripples and ripples all over the world. So I encourage you to do your ripples of water, whether it's at the lake or in a bathtub. It could be fun to kind of drop some toys in there, and some ripples of kindness. Just like the book that I have for you that I read, The Mouse and the Lion, they both did really kind gestures. I encourage you to do some kind gestures yourself. Have fun experimenting.